Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain the exercise 7.2. So first one, here they given the figures and they given the concrete parts also. So just write down the which criteria you have to use for these two triangles. So first one, here three sides are given and their corresponding sides also equal. That means which criteria you have to use? Three sides are equal means yes criteria, isn't it? So first one, A1 is first one. A1 is yes criteria. So first one yes criteria. So second one, here they given two sides and one angle. Two sides and one angle means that is SAS, isn't it? So second one yes criteria. Second one. So next third one, here they given two angles and one sides. Two angles and one sides means that is ASA, isn't it? So third one, A criteria. And last one, fourth one. Here they given the right angle triangle and the two sides are equal. That is one side, another one is hypotenuse. So which criteria? That is RHS criteria. Deep one, RHS criteria. So that is fourth one is RHS criteria. So second way. So just check your book. Second one they given they already given the congruent triangles. You should write the congruent parts. So here they given. So this is A, T, R, isn't it? So this is one angle, and this is another. Sorry, this is one side triangle P, M, and E. So they given. First one, A1. If you have to use SSH criteria, then you need to show. So first one, second way. So first one, AR equals to PE, isn't it? AR equals to PE. So AR equals to PE. So this is first side. So next RT, second one. In that first one, this is second one RT. So look at the figure. RT means EN. RT means this is EN. So these are the lines, isn't it? That's why I am using this symbol. So next third one is AT. Third one is AT. That means PN. Okay. So PN. So these are SSH criteria for corresponding parts. So second one, B1. In that B1, here they given one angle they given. Just write out the two sides. So RT equals to. So you already know that RT equals to EN. And second one, PN equals to PN equals to. So what is that? PN equals to AT. PN equals to AT. Last one, C one. If it is given that AT equals to PN and you are to use ASA criteria, so which angles you have to use? AT and PN they given. So use these two angles A and T. So third one, second first one, which angles you have to show? RAT equals to which? RAT equals to EPN, isn't it? RAT equals to EPN. And second one, this angle RTA equals to ENP. These are the corresponding parts of ART and PN triangles. So next third one, here they given the triangles and they are congruent also. So AMP and AMQ, these two, this one and this two triangles, and here they given the corresponding parts also. But you should write the reason why these are corresponding parts. So here PM equals to AM, PM equals to AM. Sorry, this one is QM. Sorry, this one is QM. So PM equals to QM. Why? What is the reason? Here they already given. So reason is given. So because in the figure they already given PM equals to QM. And second one, angle PMA, PMA, QMA. This one, PMA and QMA. These two triangles, angles. Here also they given, isn't it? Second one given, and third one, AM equals to AM. AM equals to AM. Why? Because this is the common side for both the triangles. AM is a common side for both the triangles. So what is that? Reason common side. And they given that these two triangles are congruent. For which criteria? By using which criteria? One side, one angle, another side. That means two sides and one angle. That means yes, A, yes criteria. SAS criteria. Okay. So this is third one. Next fourth one. So here they given three angles are equal. Okay. Just check your book. Three angles are given, and they given that two triangles are also congruent by AAA congruent criteria. That is fourth one. Here they given AA criteria. Okay. AA criteria. But this is not for your class. AA criteria, but it is possible. But here they given by AA congruent criteria is be justified why or why not. Here in this figure they given in a triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, A equals to 30. Okay. A equals to 30, B equals to 40. Next, C equals to 110. So in the other one also PQR in the triangle PQR, P is 30, P is 30, Q is 40, and R is 110. So in this two triangles, angles are equal, isn't it? So here corresponding angles are also equal. So by which criteria? AAA criteria. This is possible. These two triangles may be congruent, but sides may be different, isn't it? Sides may be different. So check it here. This one 30, 40, no, isn't it? So take it as, because this is obtuse angle, isn't it? 110 is, that is obtuse angle, and this one is, take it 30, this one is, take it as 40. So angle A is 30 degree. Next, that is C. This is C, and this one is D. So this is one angle. So this is one triangle. So I will take another one. This is 110. This may be 30. This may be 40. Okay. So this is the obtuse angle triangle. So here side I will take it as 5 cm. So this is 5 cm. But I will take this one side as 4 cm. Okay. Here angles are equal. But what about sides? Here 5 cm, here 4 cm. We can take it, isn't it? That means these two triangles are not congruent. Why? Because basically this is obtuse angle triangle. 110 is obtuse angle. That means these two triangles are obtuse triangles, and angles are equal, but sides may be different. Sides may change. That means these two triangles are not congruent. So that means therefore triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle PQR. These two triangles are not congruent. So just write down the reason. What is the reason? These two triangles are obtuse angle triangles, but here angles are equal, but sides may differ or change. That means these two triangles are not congruent. Next, fifth one. So see here, fifth one. Here they given the two triangles. So two triangles they given. One triangle RAT equals to is congruent to which triangle? Because here two sides are equal and angles are also equal. So two sides and angles are equal. So RAT equals to WON, isn't it? So fifth one RAT equals to is fifth one RAT. So this is triangle, isn't it? So So this is congruent to triangle WOL. So next, sixth one, complete the congruence statement. So here they given the figure, sixth one. So sixth one they given the figure B, A, C and T. So these two are equal, this side is equal, and so and this one is 90 degree, isn't it? So this one also. This one here already they given the one triangle, that is BCA is congruent to what? BCA is congruent to which triangle? BAT, isn't it? Because these two sides are here, BC equals to BD, AC equals to AT, and these two angles are equal, and this one is 90 means this is also 90, isn't it? Because straight line. So these two are which angle? These are adjacent angles, so they form linear pair. That means this is also true. So BCA is congruent to BAT, that is triangle BAT. Okay, so this is first one, and second one. So second one, QRS. In this figure they given QRS. So that is congruent to remaining triangle QPT. So second one, triangle QRS is congruent to triangle QPT. Okay. So next, seventh one. Seventh one they given in a square sheet. Draw two triangles of equal areas such that first one, triangles are congruent. First one is congruent. Second one is not congruent. So what can you say about the perimeters? What can you say about the perimeters? So this is first one. First one, what is the option? Triangles are congruent. So here first part is triangles are congruent. What about the perimeters? Okay. So here triangles are congruent means we can take it as a yes criterion, SSS criteria. I am taking SSS criteria for triangles for congruent. Congruent I have taken SSS criteria. So if all the sides are equal, in a triangle, then their areas are equal. So here already they know the triangles with equal areas. What about the perimeters? Perimeters also equal. Why? Because all sides are equal. All sides are equal means their perimeters also equal. Because here all sides are equal. That means perimeters also equal. Perimeters also equal. What about second one? Triangles are not congruent. That means the perimeters are not equal because sides are different. Their areas will change, but their areas they given equal. That means their perimeters may change. So second one, triangles are congruent, not congruent. That means sides are different. So sides are different. Sides are different means perimeters are different. Perimeters are different. Perimeters are different. If they are congruent, that means that perimeters are also equal with equal areas. But But in the second one, their areas may equal, but perimeter is different. Next, ninth one. If triangle ABC, so here they given triangle ABC. So ABC with two angles they given. Okay. This is P, Q, R. Okay. And here they given two angles are, so these two triangles are congruent. So name one additional pair of corresponding quadrant or what criteria will be used. So first here two angles are given. Okay. Here also two angles, corresponding angles are given, and these two triangles are first triangles ABC. Is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. And angles they give. Angle B equals to angle R. So this is PRQ. So write down as PRQ. So angle B equals to R. Next C equals to Q. C equals to Q. Here two angles. So last one additional pair. What is that? Side. So which side? That side must include that two triangles, the angles. This is the side, isn't it? BC. BC equals to, so here BC equals to RQ, isn't it? BC equals to RQ. These two sides are corresponding, isn't it? That means these triangles are congruent. Therefore, by which criteria? So which criteria? By two angles and one side. Triangle ABC is parallel to triangle PRQ by which criteria? ASA rule or criteria, whatever. Okay. So this is 9th. So next 10th one. Explain why. Here they give the figures. Here they have already given the triangles. So triangles are congruent and they given the figures here. So why angle A equals to angle F? So angle A equals to angle F. Angle A equals to angle F. Next angle B equals to angle E. Angle B equals to angle E. So these are corresponding, isn't it? Next one side they given. BC. So BC. So BC equals to ED. ED. They given. So ED. That means which criteria have we used? Two angles and one sides. Which criteria? ASA criteria. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED by which criteria? ASA criteria. Okay, this